Hello, I see your question here. I guess part B is maybe what you're asking about. This is a whole lot like the last part of the problem I just worked for you. The shape of a distribution of time required to get an oil change at a 15-minute oil change facility is unknown. However, record indicates the mean time 16.5 and the standard deviation is 4.2. Complete the following. So I guess, since it's greater than 30, we can use this normal model. What is the probability that random sample, 40 oil changes will have a sample mean that's less than 15 minutes? Well, from this section here, the sample mean is the same as the population, which was given as 16.5 up here. Standard deviation of the sample is a standard deviation of population divided by square root of n, the sample size. Well, the standard deviation for population is given as 4.2. The sample size is 40, and so this would give you the standard deviation for the sample. And so we want to find out what's the probability that that this sample, the mean, will be less than 15. So I just went over to the stat calculator and chose the normal calculator. The mean 16.5. Now I haven't calculated standard deviation here. You'd have to put this in the calculator. 4.2 divided by square root of 40. That number would be here. And we want probability that the mean will be less than 15. So I put the 15 here. Make sure the less than. Click compute. It'll give you a nice pretty answer. It'll give you a picture up here, and it'll give you this probability. Hope that helps.